Welcome friends, this is another open house video. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom designer home located here in the village of Palo Alto in the northern part of the Villages. It is a block and stucco home. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. This is a block and stucco designer home located near Spanish Springs Town Square in the northern part of the Villages. The first thing I notice is a nicely painted cement driveway and a very large cement patio area in front of the home. This has a 2-car garage with a screen. And it is a block and stucco home. It's a designer home. It's 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. It seems to be in very good condition. You can take a look at the roof. This house is very neutrally decorated. You will be surprised at the nice new flooring that it has inside. Let's go in and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and you can see that off to the right, you'll have a dining area. And off to the left, you will see it does have a inside laundry area with ceramic tile floors. It has oak cabinets with brushed stainless hardware on it as well. I believe this door here will lead into the garage. It does have a 2-car garage. You can see it is a block and stucco home. It has the mechanicals there as well. It has a painted floor. We'll go back inside the home. You can see this laundry area does have a sink, as well as a nice cabinet folding area and countertop. Here we are walking back into the foyer area. And you can see, I will take a panoramic view. You can see the living room areas to the left. The dining area is to the right. We will go into the kitchen area where this beautiful floor continues. It looks like there is a solid surface countertop with an electric range as well. It has oak cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. It does have plantation shutters. Very neutrally decorated home. I will video the specification sheet. It has a nice sitting area here in the front of the home. Very nice. That is the kitchen area. It does have acoustic textured ceilings. Let's go ahead and video the specification sheet so you have an idea. This home is located at 2115 Zaragoza Place here in the Villages, Florida. The list price is $399,000. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read the specifications of this home. I will video the specifications and the room sizes. Here are the room sizes. You'll see the kitchen is luxury vinyl flooring is throughout this home. Very beautiful home. Monthly amenity fee is $195. This is in the Villages, Florida. It is in the village of Palo Alto. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. This luxury vinyl plank floor is awesome. This is the living area. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Neutral flooring throughout this home. You do have a lanai out the back of the home. Off to the right, you'll see the master bedroom. You'll see that the vinyl plank floor continues. Does have carpet underneath the bed area. That bed, to give you perspective, is a king-size bed with adequate space on either side of that bed. Plantation shutters continue. Very high cathedral ceilings with acoustic texture. I will take a walk. It does have a master walk-in closet as well. Here's your walk-in closet with carpeted floors. It has steel rack shelving units. This is a panoramic view of the master bedroom. Very light and bright home. Here's the master bathroom. Looks like it has tile floors. Very neutral, very bright. Nice bright window. Solid surface countertop. Looks like it has oak cabinets. There are 2 sinks in this bathroom. Very nice. This bathroom does have a separate commode and shower room with a pocket door, sliding pocket door. That shower has glass doors on it. It is tiled. That is your shower. Very nice. Has a recessed light in the ceiling. There is a window above the commode. There is another walk-in closet off this master bathroom as well. This closet is very high ceilings in that master closet. Very nice home, very light and bright. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. Here I will walk out into the lanai area. The lanai does have painted concrete floors. There is a bird cage patio area out the back of this home as well. Very nice. This lanai is temperature controlled. You can see the heating duct in the ceiling there. So this would be considered a 4-season lanai. It is a block and stucco designer home located here in the northern part of the Villages, very close to Spanish Spring Town Square. It does have a split bedroom design. You have the master bedroom on one side of the home and the guest quarters on the other. This is the guest quarters. You can get privacy. It does have a sliding pocket door, so your guests could close that off and have privacy. Here's a guest bedroom that's located in the back of the home. You can see that luxury vinyl flooring continues. It has plantation shutters. Very light and bright home. Lots of cabinets in this room. Looks like they were using this room as maybe an office space. This room is considered a bedroom. It does have a closet. Here is a bathroom, a guest bathroom. It does have tile floors, solid surface countertop with 1 sink. Very nice. It has a tub as well with a tile backsplash. Very nice and neutral, light and bright home. Here's another guest bedroom. You see that luxury vinyl plank floor does continue. Has acoustic texture ceiling. That does appear to be a queen size bed to give you perspective of the size of this room. I will take a walk and spin around. This bedroom does have a closet with sliding 6-panel doors. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home. Very nice home, very neutrally decorated home. I'm going to give you one last panoramic view. I will walk out into the street and show you the directions of the street as well. Give you the directions of this home. Very nice home. Last panoramic view of the kitchen and dining room area. I will now walk out into the street and show you the street. Very quiet neighborhood here in the northern part of the Villages. As always, please contact the listing agent, Deanna Oglesby at RE/MAX Premier Realty. If you have any questions, I will leave her contact information in the description of the video. This direction would be facing north. That is your home, friends, right there. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom designer home here in the Villages, Florida. List priced $399,000. It is a block and stucco home. Very deep setback, very nice large front yard. This is panning south. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching this open house tour here in the village of Palo Alto in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home that is block and stucco. Take care, everybody. Be safe.